Hi there, my name is Danny Solemn, and I'm the founder of Decryptionary.com. That's the simplest crypto dictionary and beginner's guide. In this video series, I'm going to introduce you to the basic concepts around cryptocurrencies. We're going to touch on the 13 major common cryptocurrency words that everyone needs to know. Then we're going to touch on the 5 different categories that you can classify cryptocurrencies into, and finally the 8 resources you should be using right now. Before I go on, here's a quick disclaimer. Nothing published by me or Decryptionary should be taken as investment advice. In fact, before you invest in anything, make sure you do your own research. The next word is ICO, and that's short for initial coin offering. That's a limited time process by which new cryptocurrencies are made available to the public. It's a sort of a marketing term for the limited time window with which you can buy a brand new, never before seen or touched cryptocurrency. The reason people want to invest in these ICOs is because the cost is really low. They can buy a coin that would cost a penny or a fraction of a penny, and the theory is that it's a great technology, it's a great coin, and in a very short point in the future, it's going to be worth a lot more. And so they're going to more than double or triple their money. We're talking 10x, 50x, 100x their investment. Just think about what happened with Bitcoin. It was originally selling for fractions of a coin, fractions of a penny, and now it is worth in the thousands, and before, and probably in the future, in the tens of thousands. And now we're on to market cap. So market cap is short for market capitalization, and that is just the total dollar value of a cryptocurrency. Now, that's often calculated by taking the dollar value of one of the crypto. For example, Bitcoin, let's say, is worth $10,000, crossing my fingers. And then let's say there are a total supply of 16,500,000 Bitcoin, which, if you check on CoinMarketCap, that's about what it is. With 16,500,000 coins in existence, you multiply those two numbers, and that gives you the answer down here of $165 billion. That is the market capitalization of Bitcoin. The total supply multiplied by the price gives you market cap. Unfortunately, many people use market cap as a way of totally valuing cryptocurrency, and that's not really right. Let's imagine the price of Bitcoin like this. These are all the buyers, and these are all the sellers. Everyone's meeting right here in the middle, where the price is, just to keep things simple, trading at $10. If a guy comes over here and he's got a fat stack of cash, he just wants to unload, buy a ton of Bitcoin, then he's going to probably clear up every single order right here, right? Because these are sellers and these are buyers. He's just purchased this entire amount. This was priced $10 all the way up to $100. He purchased all the way up to roughly $50. That means the price of Bitcoin is now $50, which increased the price by 5 times. And you can actually see this happening pretty often with smaller cryptocurrencies, brand new cryptocurrencies. There's not a lot of people trading, so a guy can come in with a big chunk of money. He can wipe out everyone who's selling, and the price goes way up. Everyone thinks they made a ton of money, but it'll start evening out, and sometimes the price slams right back down. You got to be careful with market cap as a calculation. You now know 2 of the most popular terms, ICO and market cap. I've got one more video to show you on definitions, and then we're going to touch on those categories and tools. Get ready, it's going to be simple, visual, and as usual, entertaining. I'll see you in my next video.